Alright guys, let me show you how to fix that dead space in the controller. See, I'm gonna get some plastic. You can get any plastic from just any. So I got this plastic from the cap, bottle cap. So I already measured everything, and it should come out like about this length. Cut exactly the same length. That should be it. And I already found the dead space for the you know how when you press the throttle, you feel like, so it should be right here. See, as you can see right here, somewhere around the little marker, I mark it right there. I'm done. Let me see. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna put some glue on it, hot glue, so it can stick to the side, and should be okay. Okay, so I got the plastic all cut out where the dead space is at. See, you can go right here. The dead space is about this much length. So right here, this is the plastic that I will put on. So it eliminate the dead space. So when you try, you should get the scooter will start right away, or what you call it. When you press the throttle, there's no dead space, so 1 or 2 second delay. So when you press it, it should go. Alright, so my plan is I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna put two-sided tape on it so it can stick nice and firm. Then I'm probably gonna add some hot glue to make it nice and steady, or stay real good. I'm gonna trim this down. Oh shit. Some part for my language. Trim that down. Now, hopefully it stick good. This two-sided tape is stick really good, so you don't have to worry about it coming out. Let me see, gonna press it down. Okay. Okay. See right here, this from here to here, there's a dead space. Maybe I can just press it more in. There you go. It should work. Now I'm gonna get the glue gun and hopefully kind of seal it. Not too much. All right. No more that's delay. So right now you got no more delay. Before that, this right here used to be all the way back here to the bottom. Let me press back in again. So So make sure this part don't come off. This is where the magnet would censor the wires to make it go. So you just wanna glue that down. And pretty much that's it. Oh shoot, why did I even touch that? Okay. A little bit more. Come on. Come on. This thing. Okay. We'll test it out. Alright guys, as you can see, I already got the little plastic right here. So let's see. So you put it, just put it like 1 second lag right there. So it should. Let me see. Try it again. Alright, it worked perfectly. Now we're just gonna have to put it back on, everything, and test it out. Okay. Okay, this way would be better. Wait. Can you hear it? When I press the throttle, the motor will start right away. See? Alright, everything is put back on. Let's go. Let's go do motor. No lag. No lag at all. Before I put the plastic on, this thing would come out, stick about right here. I would say about right there. Let's see. Yeah, it should stick about right here. Or right here. But now there's no lag. Alright. Alright guys, I'm gonna go test scooter out. See here. Oh, you see that? Yeah, just go. Holy shit. Oh, that was much better. No lag in between when you press it. You guys gotta try this trick. What's it called? Trick? What the heck? This modification I did. Ooh. So when I press the throttle, it just go. You know, but before that, it just you have to wait maybe 1 second before the throttle would respond to your thumb. This is when I press it just go. Okay, let's try this again. Ooh. See, when I press it, it just want to go. No more lagging. No more dead space between when you press the thumb throttle now. The only thing you just gotta be careful is when don't actually touch it, because there's no more dead space between, you know, although before that you have to press like almost an inch deep before the throttle responds. But now is when you press it, it just go. Alright, that little modification work. I don't have to cut in spring, I just modify, slow down like this. Before I put that thing on, you just, when you press it, it's still kind of lag. But right here, I just press, it just go. Oh shit. Okay, let's go mode 2. Mode 2, because the setting is not that powerful, so it's start take off. See that? So mode 4 and 5, you just gotta be careful, because there's so much power. Once you press it, you just go. On mode 1 and 2, because the setting for each motor is different. So when you press it, it go, but it don't go like, But still, before I fix the, I put the little plastic in to prevent it from, the dead lagging, or whatever you call it. This still, it feels much better though. See, when I press, it just go. Before that, if I press, it would go all the way in and the motor still won't kick in. My thumb would be all the way down here, right here. It still won't kick in because the dead space, or I don't know how you call it, whatever you call it. But right now, just press it, just go. So yeah, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and like the likes and comment. Oh, this would